Hi, this is Emily Iannelli at Sea Girl Angel. Just filming a little bit of our snowstorm blizzard. As you can see, we've got about, I would say, nearing 18 inches, maybe even more. The winds are blowing. You can see the snow piling up, and it's expected to fall maybe another 12 to 15 hours. So we're still in the thick of it, and we've got lots of snow on the ground. As you can see, the drifts are really piling up. The roads are very hard to navigate on, and the winds are still blowing the snow. It's very cold, and not many people are out. I see a couple of people driving, but they're usually plowing the street, and I see a few people out just walking, taking advantage of the roads not being traveled on. It's an awesome feeling to be out in the middle of this snowstorm, and I think it's something that we don't often see. So when we do get hit with a big storm like this, it's something that we will always remember, and I'll always cherish this in my memories bank, because there's something special. And I even know as a child I loved the snow, and even now as an adult I love the snow. And as you can see, the winds are really blowing, and the snow is coming down very hard, and it hasn't let up all day. It's been like this, so you can tell that this is a major blizzard, and it's very hazardous to be out in this cold. As you can see, my nephews and niece built a snowman. They're not really used to this kind of weather, but as kids go, they love the snow. It's very new to them, so they're all excited about that, and it's a nice feeling. The snow is really a childhood dream, and you never get tired of it. I guess the only thing about snow is the white goes away soon, and then it becomes slushy and dirty. But when you get it like this in its pristine form, there's no better feeling, and it's an awesome sight to see. And you can always tap into that youth and innocence as a child that you had when you saw your first snowstorm and when you got a day off from school. So this is truly an enjoyable sight for me, and I enjoy the time out to have some peace and privacy and get to reflect as I watch the snow come down. And as you can see, it's pretty deep. There are some people out on the street. It's very deep, actually. A lot of snow. Really, lots and lots. Lots of snow. It's beautiful. It's coming down very hard. Hear the plow in the background. There are some people out plowing now. I still think it's a little too early to do that. I think it's time for this girl to get inside the house, as it is getting colder, and I want to get a hot chocolate. I'll talk later. Love you guys. Bye.